In this video, let us look at the derivation of the variance of a random variable following a multinomial distribution, that is a Dirichlet distribution. So, given a random variable that is part of a larger distribution, that is a Dirichlet distribution with a random vector mu and the parameters vector alpha. So, here mu I belongs to the vector mu. Here mu has m random variables. Now our goal is to find the variance of this ith mu I. So variance of a random variable mu I is given by expected value of the mu I square minus expected value of mu I whole square. In the previous video we already saw that expected value of mu I is equal to its parameter alpha I divided by the summation of alpha k's. So this is the expected value of mu I. Now we want to find, now the only thing left is the expectation of mu I square. Then we can find the variance. So we can define the expectation of mu I square, that is second moment of mu I, is equal to integral mu I square probability of mu I, that is the marginal probability of mu I over m variables integrated over mu I. This is from 0 to 1. And this integration can be rewritten as integral mu I square pm of mu1 up to mu m d mu1 all the way to d mu m, where this distribution pm of mu1 to mu m, that is the multinomial distribution, is equal to the Dirichlet distribution. And now we know that the Dirichlet distribution is given by a normalizing constant Cm multiplied by the product k equal to 1 to m mu k power alpha k minus 1. So by inserting this definition in the integration, we have integral mu I square Cm, the product k equal to 1 to m mu k power alpha k minus 1 d mu 1 all the way to d mu m. Note that d mu I is already in this sequence. Now by taking this constant Cm outside and keeping the mu I square inside integration, we have integral of the product from k equal to 1 to m, where k is not equal to I, mu k power alpha k minus 1, and then for I equal to k we have mu I power alpha I plus 2 minus 1, and then we have d mu 1 up to d mu m. Now if you look at this integral, it just looks like another Dirichlet distribution where the ith parameter alpha I is replaced by alpha I plus 2. So, and since the Dirichlet distribution is a normalized distribution, this integral also must equal to 1 with a proper constant. That is when multiplied with a proper constant. So that constant should be its inverse of its normalizing constant, which is, let's call it Cm dash. So this is Cm multiplied by 1 by C dash of m, C dash m, where C dash m is equal to the normal inverse of the is equal to the normalizing constant of this distribution. So which is obviously equal to gamma of summation k equal to 1 to m alpha k plus 2 divided by the product k equal to 1 to m, where k is not equal to I, gamma of alpha k multiplied by gamma of alpha I plus 2. So this is the normalizing constant of this new multinomial distribution. So now our second moment, that is expectation of mu I square, is equal to the product of Cm and 1 by Cm dash, which is going to be equal to gamma of summation k equal to 1 to m alpha k divided by gamma of the product of k equal to 1 to m gamma of alpha k. And then we have from the Cm 1 by Cm dash, we have k equal to 1 to m, k not equal to I, gamma of alpha k multiplied by gamma of alpha I plus 2 divided by the gamma of summation k equal to 1 to m alpha k plus 2. So now, by using the definition of the gamma function of x plus 1 is equal to x times gamma of x, we can rewrite this factor as follows. Summation k equal to 1 to m alpha k divided by product k equal to 1 to m gamma of alpha k multiplied by alpha I plus 1 alpha I gamma alpha I product k equal to 1 to m gamma of alpha k, here k is not equal to I, divided by the summation k equal to 1 to m alpha k plus 1 multiplied by summation k equal to 1 to m alpha k gamma of the summation k equal to 1 to m alpha k. So now we can cancel all the gamma functions and we are left with alpha I times 1 plus alpha I divided by the summation k equal to 1 to m alpha k multiplied by 1 plus the summation k equal to 1 to m alpha k. So this is the second moment of mu I, and its variance, and the variance of mu I is given by the expected value of mu I square, that is alpha I times alpha I plus 1 divided by summation k equal to 1 to m alpha k multiplied by 1 plus the summation k equal to 1 to m alpha k minus the square of the mean, that is alpha I square divided by the summation k equal to 1 to m alpha k whole square. So by simple algebraic manipulations, we can easily prove that this is equal to summation k equal to 1 to m alpha k minus alpha I multiplied by alpha I divided by square of this summation k equal to 1 to m alpha k multiplied by the 1 plus summation k equal to 1 to m alpha k. So this is the variance of the ith mu, that is the random variable mu I that follows a, or the random variable mu I which is part of a random vector that follows a multinomial distribution. Thanks for watching.